Hey, welcome back to Everything Happens for Us. Today we're diving into a game changer in the affiliate marketing world, high-end affiliate marketing. Forget the grind of chasing hundreds of low-ticket sales. Imagine earning a life-changing commission from just one sale. Sounds good, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how to build a sustainable, high-ticket affiliate business that focuses on trust, authority, and value. Let's get started. So, what exactly is high-end affiliate marketing? It's all about promoting premium products or services. Think luxury travel, SaaS tools, or even high-end coaching programs. These products typically cost $1,000 or more, which means the commissions are. But here's the catch. It's not about quick clicks or impulse buys. You're providing real value to help someone make a big decision. And trust me, the rewards are worth it. Let's talk about why high-ticket affiliate marketing is a no-brainer. First, the math is simple. Fewer sales, higher commissions. Second, it's a more professional and sustainable business model. You're building long-term assets like an email list and authority in your niche. Plus, you'll attract a higher quality audience, people who are serious buyers, not bargain hunters. And here's a bonus. Fewer refunds. High-ticket buyers are more committed because they've thought through their purchase. Now let's keep it real. High-ticket affiliate marketing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. The sales cycle is longer. No one's dropping $5,000 on a whim. You'll need to build trust and authority, which takes time and effort. And because the audience is smaller, you can't rely on broad traffic strategies. But here's the thing. If you're willing to put in the work, the payoff is massive. Choosing the right niche is everything. You need to find the sweet spot where profit, passion, and audience overlap. For example, luxury travel, SaaS tools, or high-end coaching are all great options. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to check market demand and competition. And don't forget to analyze affiliate programs. Look for good commission rates, long cookie durations, and reputable vendors. Authority is your secret weapon in high-ticket affiliate marketing. Start by creating cornerstone content, like the ultimate guide to your niche that solves big problems for your audience. Master SEO to target high-intent keywords like best enterprise CRM or product versus competitor. And don't underestimate the power of video. Webinars and detailed reviews can build a personal connection and showcase your expertise. Oh, and case studies? They're gold for credibility. Let's break down the high-ticket marketing funnel. At the top, you're attracting leads with valuable content, blog posts, YouTube videos, and lead magnets. In the middle, you're nurturing those leads with email sequences, webinars, and comparison guides. And at the bottom, it's all about the pitch, personalized demos, one-on-one consultations, and your affiliate offer. Pro tip, your email list is your most valuable asset. Nurture it like a baby. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some of the best high-ticket programs are found on networks like ShareASale, Impact.com, and PartnerStack. Or you can reach out directly to companies for custom partnerships. Look for programs with fair commission rates, long cookie durations, and solid affiliate support. And if you can find a program with recurring commissions, jackpot! Traffic is the lifeblood of your affiliate business, but it's all about quality over quantity. Use SEO to target commercial intent keywords. These are the ones buyers search for when they're ready to spend. Paid ads on Google or LinkedIn can also be super effective, but make sure you calculate your cost per acquisition to stay profitable. And don't forget about partnerships. Guesting on podcasts or collaborating with influencers can tap into warm, trusted audiences. Once you've got a system that works, it's time to scale. Track key metrics like conversion rate, earnings per click, and customer lifetime value. Double down on what's working, whether it's a specific piece of content or a traffic channel, and reinvest your profits into tools, ads, and content to keep growing. Before we wrap up, let's tackle some quick FAQs. Anything $1,000 or more, but the key is substantial commissions. It's a steeper learning curve, but with focus, even beginners can succeed. Through affiliate networks or directly from the merchant, usually via PayPal or bank transfer, the one with a product you believe in, a fair commission structure, and a reputable vendor. High-end affiliate marketing isn't about traffic, it's about trust. It's a long game, but the potential for sustainable, life-changing income is real. It's all about making meaningful connections and playing the numbers game. Drive those clicks. So, pick a niche you're passionate about, start building your authority, and take that first step. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Everything Happens for Us, and let me know in the comments what niche you're exploring. Until next time, keep building your dream life.